G'day, I'm Cameron Shorter from Lisasoft in Australia. Together with Landgate, Cyro and sponsorship from Landcare Research in New Zealand, we have been working on the OGC's OWS-7 testbed as part of the Feature and Decision Fusion thread. In this project, we have deployed an open source desktop client to an array of different web processing services, or WPS for short.
A WPS is designed to standardize the processing of GIS data using Internet-based services. There are three main WPS operations. Get Capabilities describes a list of services being made available. Describe Process provides a description of inputs and outputs for each process and their expected result. Execute dispatches work to an external service and is used to collect the results.
A WPS can be very useful in disaster relief like the Haiti earthquake. Aid organizations need to locate temporary relief camps which are near water, away from damaged areas, are on flat ground, and are near the population to be served. We tested and improved the WPS plugin for the UDig open source desktop client, as shown here. We start by adding map layers from the Haiti earthquake portal. Map layers can come from a variety of sources like web map services, web feature services, or in this case, shapefiles. We then add a web processing service by entering the URL for the Get Capabilities call for the web processing service. This returns with a list of processes that the WPS supports. So now let's create a buffer around a specific river to determine the most suitable location for a relief camp site near the river. First, we select the river. Then we select a buffer process from a WPS. We enter the feature and the buffer width. Press execute and the buffer is returned. As part of our work, our WPS client connected to a number of WPS services as listed here. While this demo only highlights a simple scenario, WPS offers some very powerful functionality. We found implementations of WPS to be functional, with a lot of promise, but still new and with some glitches, and we fixed some of these as we went. The applications are generally built upon established and robust libraries, and we do recommend making use of these applications for future distributed processing requirements.